6 simple tricks to use in Power BI with Power Query. Trick number 1, use the column quality option. So you can just go under View and enable the column quality right over here. With the column quality option, you will see for each column what is the quality of your data. Trick number 2, take the time to change the data type for each column. So when you see ABC 1, 2, 3, this means that Power BI doesn't know what is the kind of data you have in your column. So you need to click on the column and select the right type of data. By having the right type of data for each column, this will allow you to have more options with Power Query and even in Power BI. So this will help you build your Power BI report when you define each column what type of data it is. So this is a good trick to help you start at first. For the next trick, when you do data transformation in Power Query, try to group each transformation in one step if possible. So for example, over here, I have 2 change types. What I should do is remove this one and add my transformation under one line. By having less transformation, this will make your model a bit faster when you load your data into Power BI. Trick number 4, group your transaction or your table in Power Query by type. So if you have a lot of dimension table, it's good to create a new group so you can simply drag all your dimension table under this new group that you have created. This will make it more easier to look at all your information into Power Query when it's grouped under the right folder. So if you're looking for transaction, it should be under the transaction table. And if it's dimension, then you have your dimension table. So it's just a bit easier to work with Power Query when you're a bit more organized with all your table. Trick number 5, take time to rename each table. Don't keep this as query 1 or table 1. This is just a bad habit. So if you have a table that is all about product, take the time to name your table product. This will just make it easier when you're in the front end of Power BI and you're building up your visual. Having all your data into the right table with the right name, this will make everything much easier for you to work with this tool. So for the last trick is to sort your data at the beginning of your query. So if you're sorting your sales table and you just want to keep 1 year, for example, this sort should be done at the beginning of your query, like in this example, and then you can make the other transformation. This will just make the query faster since you sort your data at the beginning. If you do it at the end, it will be a bit more slower to work with the tool. So it's really designed to sort out your data at the beginning, and this will just make it easier to work with it. So these are my 6 tricks to get started in Power BI with Power Query. Let me know in the comment what are your tricks with Power Query and what you like to do with this tool.